everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to tell you about the fairy tales. The fairy tale title is Hansel and Gretel. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nilo Juni Antariani. I am number absent 31 and I'm from class 11C. So, what are you waiting for? Let's check the story. Hansel and Gretel. Once upon a time, there was a family that lived in a small house deep in the forest. The father was a woodcutter who worked hard to provide for his wife and two children, Hansel and Gretel. Sadly, their mother had passed away when they were very young, and they were very sad without her. One day, the woodcutter decided to remarry. However, his new wife was not kind to Hansel and Gretel. She was always mean to them and treated them poorly. The woodcutter, not knowing what else to do, took Hansel and Gretel deep into the forest and left them there all alone. Hansel, being a clever boy, had brought some breadcrumbs with him. He dropped them on the ground as they walked so that they could find their way back home. But unfortunately, the birds came and ate all the breadcrumbs. So Hansel and Gretel were lost in the forest. As night fell, the forest became very dark. The stars and moon were hidden behind the clouds, and all they could hear was the hooting of an owl. Gretel became very frightened and started to cry. Hansel hugged his sister and held her hand tightly. He said,
"Don't be afraid, my sister. Tomorrow we will find our way home. Our father will come and find us, and we will be able to go back to our house."
They were so tired that they soon fell asleep, holding each other close. Even though they were lost and alone in the forest, they knew that they had each other and that they would find a way home. The next morning, Hansel and Gretel woke up to find that it was very cold in the forest and they were very hungry. Hansel took his sister's hand and they started looking for the way home again. They walked and walked, but they could find their way home. Suddenly, they come across a strange house. It was made of gingerbread, candy, and chocolate. "Look, Hans, the house is made of chocolate bricks," Gretel explained happily, and they both ate eagerly. While they were eating, an old woman opened the door. She had a very long pointed nose and wore a pointed hat. She looked at the children and smiled. "You kids seem to be hungry. Come in, I'll prepare a nice meal for you," she said. So the kids went in. But they didn't know that the woman was a witch. As soon as Hansel and Gretel entered the house, she locked the door behind them. Then she choked Hansel and locked him in a cage. The witch wanted to roast and eat Hansel, but she realized that Hansel was not fat enough yet. So she started to cooking delicious food for Hansel every day, so that he would get fat and she could eat him. Poor Gretel had to cook every day. The witch had poor eyesight. Every evening, she went to Hansel's table, took Hansel's hand and touched his finger to see if it was thick enough to fry. Smart Hansel thought of a plan. He gave her a stick to touch every day instead of his finger. So the witch blamed herself for why Hansel wasn't gaining weight and prepare a new meal every day. But one day, Hansel could give her the stick. So the witch grabbed his finger. "Oh, no, you're fat. Today I can grill you and eat really good food," she said. She told Gretel to heat up the oven. She was going to roast and eat Hansel. But when the witch stopped to check the oven's temperature, Gretel pushed her from behind and locked the oven's door.
You're so smart, Gretel.
Explained Hansel with a great job. Gretel rescued Hansel and they filled their pocket with witch jewels. Finally, they managed to find their way home. When they got home, their stepmother had died. Their father greeted his children happily.
Thanks, smart kids.
He said the family was never poor or hungry again and lived happily ever after. Okay everyone, that's the end of Fairy Tales Hansel and Gretel. Well, after we watching the story of Hansel and Gretel, we got the moral value. The moral value is don't betrust stranger even they treat you well. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you and bye-bye.